Okay, so I'm just kind of going around my flower garden and deadheading my dahlias. I've cut all these dahlias out from over there. It's really important to deadhead the dahlias when they start getting this kind of dead look on the back, because it doesn't promote any new growth. So when you prune out the dead stuff, more flowers continue to come. But if you just leave the dead stuff on there, you don't end up with as many blooms. So look at this little thing. This is such a cool little flower. It's about 2 inches across. I think this is Little Scotty. But it's kind of dying in the back here. So cutting this off, and then by cutting that off, I'll get way more flowers and it'll be way cool. So this one's called Bracken Palomino. Man, this thing is beautiful. It's a little ball variety. It's probably about 3 or 4 inches across. And it kind of comes all the way around like this pink, beautiful color. Man, I love dahlias. They are so fun to grow. So I just wanted to go through the garden, look at my dahlias and see kind of where they are and how they're coming along, and do the deadheading. You gotta kind of keep up with the deadheading on dahlias. They are some amazing looking flowers, but you gotta stay on top of it. So I've got my shear can here. I can already tell you there's something I don't like about this shear can. If I pull this down like this, I don't get any, I can't get it to unlock because of this thing right here. So I cannot get this thing to unlock if I just pull this like this, okay? I need to be able to do this with one hand and go like this and pull this down. So I was kind of thinking about just cutting this piece off right here. I don't know. I do like the idea of this gas can, but that is a dumb design. So I don't know if you can see this right here from a distance. I've got some major dry spots right in through here. So if you can see, this is dry. I'm not sure what's going on. We've got a serious dry spot there, here. I don't know why that's the case. So for not mowing the lawn for, 4, 5, 6 days, it looks great. Last thing I did was put my application of humic acid in the granular form down. Do have those dry issues that I need to work on. So I've got these dead spots right here. I got one here, one there, and one there. So about 4 days ago, I came through here and put some perennial ryegrass seed right here. I put quite a lot of perennial ryegrass seed right here, patted it down, but I find trying to get the perennial ryegrass, or any grass seed for that matter, to sow directly into sand, it's difficult. So I haven't been as diligent as I should have been in keeping the soil wet, keeping the seed moist. I haven't watered it in a few days. So if you can see right here, you can kind of see the perennial ryegrass seed right here. Right here. I don't see much of any germination, if any. Usually it just kind of springs up. Oh, there's some right there. Just pull it up and see. So you can see the seed right there at the bottom. See that? That's perennial ryegrass. So it looks to me like I do have a little bit of germination on these little spots here. So it's not a lot of germination, but something's better than nothing. And I need these areas to grow back. Okay, so overseeding. I'm not gonna be overseeding this fall. I have overseed for the past 3 fall seasons. This year I decided, hey, I'm not gonna overseed because I wanna put an application of pre-emergent. So right now is the prime time to be putting down grass seed if you're wanting to overseed. The cool season grass growing conditions here are prime. This is the season. It's about mid-September. So this is the grass seed that I put on my lawn last year. It's called Champion GQ. So this is 4 varieties of perennial ryegrass. So this Champion GQ grass seed, Johnny Ware got me onto this stuff, and it is some of the most beautiful grass you've ever seen. It is amazing. I will link to a video that he did last winter with an overseed on his Bermuda, and man, it turned out fantastic. So this stuff is beautiful. Perennial ryegrass is some amazing looking grass, and it folds down nice and stripes beautifully. It is just incredible. So if you're thinking about overseeding, right now is the best time. The steps and the order that you want to go if you're trying to do the same thing that I have been doing. So first you verticut and or dethatch. Then I would say do the core aeration, collect the cores. Then the sand layer to kind of even it out and make it really smooth. And then after that, wait about a week and a half or a week for the grass to kind of recover a little bit. And then go down with the perennial ryegrass. And I tell you what, you will be amazed at how awesome this stuff is. You're mowing it in about a week, week and a half. It's the most beautiful grass you've ever seen. So I'm not going to be doing that this year because I want to do my pre-emergent prodiamine application so I can try to get my handle on the POA. But this is some beautiful seed, and I would highly recommend it if you're trying to make your lawn pop and make it look awesome and have the most beautiful stripes. And I've done that for the past 3 seasons, but this year I'm not going to do that. So shout out to Johnny Ware for this stuff, man. He found this. You get this from Hancock Seed. It was like maybe $70 for a 50-pound bag. It came out to be about $100 with shipping, 90 or something like that. But I would definitely recommend this stuff. It is incredible. So I'm going to continue on with the mow. I've mowed this section over here. I need to mow over there. And I've got a lot of mowing to do. So it's Monday night and it's in the fall season, and I'm starting to lose daylight like every day so quickly. So I just got to hurry and get this mowed. And then maybe tomorrow I'll come out here with the cylinder mower and make this lawn shine. So I cannot wait to bust that puppy out. I got to do something about that dry spot over there. It's a pisser offer for sure. So I'm just going to continue to mow over there. I've got lots to mow, and then tomorrow I want to bust that mower out and get her done. I love that freaking mower. It's amazing. So anyways, I appreciate you guys. Subscribe to my channel, like my videos, tell your friends about me, all that awesome stuff. So thanks for watching my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.